welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy. This is Lindiorslife, and you're back for another one. And today we are running some errands. Okay, this is the Sunday reset. We are gonna do some cleaning, but we need to get out the house first and foremost because I got some things to drop off before 3:30. I got an hour. So this week, actually in 1 week from today, my brother is getting married. So we have some dresses to return because I bought some dresses and I was like, I don't really know about these. I'm gonna order a couple just to see. I found a dress I like, so I need to return that. So that's happening today. I need to pop into Sephora because, you know, weddings and sweat and it's August. I need to make sure I get some good primers, and I want a new concealer because I just feel like I need one. So I need to pop into Sephora. I want to get some exercise in, so I'm gonna do a run walk. I want to get a texturizer. This is weird, but basically the hairstyle I want to do for the wedding is gonna be like a side part, but I want to do like up to whatever. But my hair's gonna be left out, so I need to make sure it's not gonna revert. And I've been thinking about testing a texturizer. So I'd be like, I might as well test it now. You know, I had a perm like last year or 2 years ago, so who cares? My hair's so short. So yeah, I'm gonna probably pop into a beauty supply store and get the texturizer too, and then come home. We might stop at Starbucks for a little breakfast, but yeah, then I'm just gonna come home and then, oh, actually I have to go get groceries today too. So we're doing it all today. Then I'm gonna come home, tidy up in here, make some Sunday dinner, and call it a day. So let's go, girls. Let's get in. Let's get to it, and have some fun today. Also need to find my lip gloss because clearly I'm a little dry, but let's go. Let's go. Okay, first stop, Starbucks. But the Starbucks is really close to me, so I am just going to hit that real quick because I kind of want something to eat. I want to get that sandwich. Not sandwich. I'll show y'all when I get there. Hi, can I get the spinach feta wrap? No, and can I get that extra toasted, please? Okay, thank you. Maybe I should have got a coffee, but no, I don't need that. I don't need that type of vibe in my life. Oh, I need to get my cords out.
Waiting on this?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, I didn't pack. And luckily, I'm a good person. Why I gotta be a good person, y'all? I don't know. Let's go to the UPS store. Why did it say online that they open till 3:30? Then when I use my GPS, it says that they're open until 3. And then I get here at 2:56, which, okay, yeah, I should have been booking it because I thought they closed at 3:30, but then online it said they closed at 3. But then I get here, they're closed. I'm like, all right, fair, maybe they close up early. No, I go look at their full service hours. It says they're closed on Sundays and holidays. Why are you lying to me? Why is everything else lying to me? I would have just cleaned my house for it's whatever. I'm outside now. I drove here for no reason. At least it was only 10 minutes away. Now I'm going to Sephora. Okay, so I ended up moving my car. So this kind of where we're landing because I saw a security guard and I was like, oh hell no. But as you can see right over there, that's the front porch Sunday getting started. Well, not even getting started. They've been doing it all day, but that's like the start of it, and it goes for miles, honestly. But I'm trying to go this way to the Sephora, so let's go.
Don't click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them
High
up,
volume.
cross them up, all these street beat bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn around, turn these streets can't cross them. Cross them up, all these street beat bosses. Cross them up, don't click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn around, turn these streets can't cross them. Cross them up, all these street beat bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn around, turn your click up, dog.
Now for what I came here for, Sephora. Okay, we came here for one size. Look at me. We came for one size because I need primers. I just don't know which ones for real because he has so many. So I might just get like a couple of minis just so I can test them out throughout the week so I know it works for my makeup. So let's see which ones I'm gonna get. Honestly, I'm thinking about just getting all 3 of these to test because I need my makeup to stay and not sweat off, and that's the main thing I've been experiencing all summer, which I really never cared about because whatever, but for a wedding, it's that serious. So let's see if he has all of them in minis. I got the goods. Okay, y'all, so now we're doing our walk. I ended up buying a NARS concealer, this face wash from You to the People, and then that oil, I don't even know, the oil slicker thing from One Size. I think that's gonna really help with my makeup on wedding day, so I'm excited. And then I kind of want to practice, so I might do a practice situation for y'all, or maybe for TikTok. I probably would do it for TikTok because I don't know, it's like a big deal. Going on my walk now is probably just gonna be a little 2-mile walk. I say walk or run because I might do a little jog, but that's what it is. And then we'll get to grocery shopping and stuff later. Yeah, so we're going back the way we were previously. I just had to go move my car again. Please, I don't know, but I moved it to the Publix parking lot because after my walk run, I'm gonna go to Publix, get a couple groceries, then go to Aldi's, get my main groceries. Then I want to go to the beauty supply store. Lord, so many things, but let's get this exercise in first and foremost, okay?
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good, just a week
That's
ago.
ruining my walk.
At my house, we party every weekend, so on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go, why is you lying? Girl, why you move faster? Yeah, me casa su casa, got it stripping like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes, now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva, iPhone got message from Viber. Either the head is so hydra, or we live by God.
Hello everyone, we are back in the house. As you can see, I've showered, cleansed myself. I had some eye patches on just to chill out for a little bit, but now that I'm clean and whatnot, I wanted to show y'all what I bought from the stores and things. So let's do that, and then we're gonna do a little meal prepping. I'm gonna show y'all what I do for my chia seed pudding because I'm trying something new this week, and also I have like a Ninja creamy dupe, and I want to make the little Ninja creamy stuff with y'all today too. So let's just go through everything and talk about everything and discuss everything. Start with a little bit of fun stuff. I went to Sephora. I don't know if I talked about this, but basically I got this one size oil sucker primer because I'm going to a wedding, my brother's wedding. We talked about it, so I need to make sure my face is mattified. I think this will do the job. New concealer, I just bought a mini from NARS, the walnut medium deep, because the concealer I have is cool, but I just think it creases. So I wanted to try something new, so I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try it out sometime this week before I, use it on my makeup for the wedding. But yeah, and then I got the You to the People cleanser because I left it on the bachelorette trip. Hate that for me, so I bought a new one. So that was the funsy stuff. The food stuff, I got this Mediterranean quinoa blend, Path of Life. I got this. I love this if I want to do like a little Mediterranean lunch. So this is gonna be my lunch and dinner, to be honest, because I don't have time to think hard. And then also this Ithaca hummus, the lemon dill. Really love that in my Mediterranean situation. And I got some stevia because we're gonna use that because I ran out of my sugar-free vanilla. So yeah, some strawberries, that's gonna go into that mix. And then I got some sugar-free cheesecake jello, that's also gonna go into the mix. Honey graham crackers for the mix, and then this Ripple protein dairy-free milk. A lot of people use the Fairlife. This was cheaper, and I like this milk, so I think I like it in the mix. And by the mix, I'm the Ninja creamy mix. So yeah, that's all I got from Publix. Stuff I got from Aldi's, I got 2 energy drinks. I usually just pick up a couple because they're cheaper at the grocery store than at the store. These are my favorite jerkies. It's chicken and maple mini sticks. Love them. They're $5 though. It's like 5 for $5. It's only 5 sticks in here. Or how many sticks is in here? Yeah, it's 5 sticks in here, $5, $1 a stick. I think it's crazy, but it tastes so good. So sometimes I'll be picking those up. And I got seaweed snacks, some green beans. I don't know, but I like these ones because they come full and not like, all, the little cuts in half. Got 2 New York strips for $18, and they're decent size, so it was a good deal. And then I got some chicken. Just some thin chicken breasts. I like those because, I don't know, the thick chicken breasts be too much to me. I've been obsessed with these Sun Gold kiwis. Kyra Unique put me on. I love them. At first when she was eating them, like without, the peel or whatever, without taking the peel off, I was confused. But those make sense. The other ones are too furry to me. And then I bought a plantain, a cucumber, and a mango, for whatever reason. And then I got my sweet potato chips, love those. On a little cherry limeade sparkling water, and then another energy drink. And this is the whole honey. I'm gonna put everything up, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all so we can do the recipes. So let's go. Okay, everyone, let's do these recipes. So I got this recipe off of TikTok, and I'm just making something shake. And by got off of TikTok, I really mean like just saw something that made sense and then said I'm gonna get that. So don't ask me about the actual stuff. This is just what I'm gonna do, and we're gonna test it out. So it's basically like protein ice cream that I'm making, but the one I'm making is gonna be a strawberry cheesecake, and the other one I'm just gonna do vanilla, and I'm gonna just get some like chocolate or cookie dough, something, you know, not crazy, and add it in that mix whenever I do it. But what I'm gathering is I need 2 cups of milk, and I'm gonna blend it up in here so it's actually blended, because protein gets a little weird, gets a little sticky. So this is half a cup, so I'm gonna do 4 of these, as we know. Actually, maybe I'll just do 1.5, because that seems like a lot for this. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna do 1.5 of a cup. Let me see where that lands. A cup of the Ripple milk, which has 8 grams of protein. Then we're gonna add in our vanilla protein. I'm using the Own Your Life, I don't know. And to get the serving size, it's 2 scoops. I'm gonna put 2 scoops in there for the serving size. 2 scoops in there. Okay, and then I'm gonna use a stevia packet just to give it a little extra sugar. I would have used my vanilla syrup. Actually, I have a little bit in here, so I might put a little bit in there. Yeah, I would have used my vanilla syrup, but I don't got that. So stevia. I personally don't have an issue with the taste of stevia, but some people do. So, you know, do with that what you will. But it turns out too. Okay, I put it to the max line because we don't want it to overdo itself. So yeah. Now let's do the next one. Do a little less milk. So I'm gonna do just a little less than. So this, they said there's 4 servings in here. So I'm just gonna do a tablespoon. Yeah, a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half. Okay. Okay, cheesecake is gray, just vanilla. We've got purple. I'm gonna put this in the fridge and come back. Okay, first things first, we got mangoes, strawberries cut up. 2 tablespoons per chia seed pudding. And we're gonna figure that out. That is half a cup. We're gonna do half a cup. 1. Even though this one's double, I'm gonna just give it 1 packet. Just to add a little sweetness, just a little sweetness to it, nothing crazy. Look, this is how it turned out. Voila! Okay, and just to top it off, I wanted to show y'all what it ended up looking like. So this is the cheesecake one. It ain't really hitting on nothing, I'm gonna be honest. It tastes like protein, but I tried. Anyways, adios, girls. See you in the next one.